Hey, welcome back to Glow Mode. Today, we're not here to look cute. We're here to look powerful. We're here to glow up like a mafia boss. Not loud, not flashy, but calm, strong, silent. Let's build your boss aura. Step by step, word by word. 1. Stop talking too much. A real boss doesn't need to speak all the time. When he talks, people listen. When he's quiet, people wonder what he's thinking. If you want respect, speak less and listen more. Don't interrupt. Don't overshare. Don't try to be funny all the time. Be calm. Be smart. Let your silence do the talking. A quiet man is a mystery, and people respect mystery. 2. Master the Mafia walk. Walk like you own the place. Even if you don't, back straight. Chin up. No rushing. No slouching. Each step should say, I know who I am. Practice walking in front of a mirror. Look strong, not stiff. Confident, not cocky. The way you walk changes how people treat you. 3. Eye contact is your weapon. Look people in the eyes when they talk to you. Not like a robot. Not like you're angry. Just calm, steady eye contact. When you avoid eye contact, you look scared. When you stare too much, you look weird. Find the balance. Use your eyes to show strength, not fear. 4. Grooming like a boss. A mafia boss is always sharp. Hair neat, face clean, smell fresh. Here's your daily routine. Wash your face morning and night. Use a face moisturizer. Get a clean haircut every 2 to 3 weeks. Keep your beard or mustache shaped. Wear deodorant and cologne, not too much. Looking clean isn't expensive. It's about effort. 5. Dress like you mean business. You don't need a $1,000 suit to look powerful, but you do need clothes that fit. Avoid baggy shirts. Avoid pants that hang. Don't wear shirts with huge logos or cartoons. Stick with solid colors like black, gray, navy, and white. Wear button-down shirts, simple t-shirts, clean shoes. Look in the mirror and ask, would a boss wear this? 6. Smell like a signature. People remember your scent. It's powerful. Pick one good cologne. Use 1 to 2 sprays daily. Not too much, just enough to leave a trace. Choose something dark and spicy, like leather, like wood, like power. You want people to think of you when they smell it again. 7. Build a daily routine. Bosses don't waste time. They don't scroll for hours. They don't lie around all day. Wake up early. Make your bed. Clean your space. Do a quick workout. Eat something healthy. Start your day with purpose. Having a routine makes you feel in control, and control is attractive. 8. Get stronger every day. Strength isn't just about muscles. It's about being sharp, ready, focused. Start small. Push-ups, pull-ups, planks, jump rope. You don't need a gym. You need consistency. Train your body to feel strong. Train your mind to stay sharp. 9. Learn to say less. When you always talk, you lose power. When you talk less, you gain respect. Be slow to speak and quick to think. Speak when it matters. Don't talk just to fill space. Every word should have weight. 10. Keep a clean space. Look at your room. Is it clean? Organized? Sharp? A boss doesn't live in mess. A clean room shows a clear mind. Make your bed every day. Put things where they belong. Keep your shoes and clothes in order. Respect your space, and others will respect you. 11. Don't beg for attention. Real men don't chase attention. They attract it. Don't post selfies all day. Don't show off every little thing. Don't beg people to notice you. Let your results speak. Let your glow up do the talking. 12. Build a cold body language. Bosses don't fidget. Don't scratch their head when nervous. Don't laugh too loud to fit in. They move slow. They sit still. They stand strong. Learn to control your body. Slow hand movements. Steady breathing. Calm posture. The calmer you are, the more powerful you seem. 13. Train your mind like a warrior. Read every day, even if it's just 10 minutes. Pick books that teach you power and control. The Art of War. 48 Laws of Power. Atomic Habits. Learn. Think. Apply. A boss mind creates a boss life. 14. Eat like you respect yourself. Stop eating chips and soda all day. That's kid stuff. A boss eats to grow. Eggs, chicken, rice, fruits, vegetables, water. Your body is your armor. Fuel it right. 15. Protect your energy. Some people bring drama, hate, chaos. Cut them off. Stay around those who support you, push you to grow, and respect your silence. Peace is your power. Don't let anyone steal it. 16. Learn to control your emotions. A boss doesn't scream when angry. He stays calm. He waits, then he acts. Anger is weakness. Control is strength. Learn to breathe, think, and stay cold. 17. Become mysterious. Don't tell everyone your plans. Don't post everything you do. Keep some things private. Let people wonder. Mystery creates respect. Be seen, but not fully known. 18. Speak like a gentleman. No need to curse every sentence. No need to yell to be heard. Speak clearly. Speak calmly. Speak with purpose. Bosses don't try to sound cool. They sound smart. 19. Know what you want. A boss has a vision, a mission, a direction. Set goals. Write them down. Work toward them daily. Don't drift. Don't follow the crowd. Lead your own path. 20. Move in silence. Let others talk. Let others post. Let others brag. You work. You improve. You build. Then one day they notice without you saying a word. 21. Create your signature look. Pick something unique. A ring, a necklace, a watch, a certain color, a style of shoes. Make it yours. Let people know you by your style. 22. Watch and learn. Watch Mafia movies. Study the bosses, how they speak, how they move, how they dress, how they lead. Learn the aura. Copy the calm. 23. Be kind, but not soft. You can be polite without being weak. Say thank you. Help others, but don't let anyone walk over you. Draw lines and protect them. 24. Stay busy building yourself. Don't waste your time. Every day is a chance to get better. Work on your body, your skills, your style, and your goals. Build yourself into the man you respect. 25. Carry silent power. You don't need to be loud to be powerful. In fact, real power is quiet. Walk into the room with a calm face. Say little. Observe everything. Let your aura speak. This is the Mafia glow up. It's not about being scary. It's about being powerful, not through force, but through presence. Glow up like a boss, and the world will treat you like one. This is Glow Mode. I'll see you in the next one.